Okay, good morning students. So today chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Before starting this chapter we have to revise some topics, some basics like algebraic expression ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable and which is made by the algebraic expression equations. So first of all, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Standard form of linear equation in two variables. Examples: x plus y equals to 10. So this is the linear equation in two variables. Linear means the degree is 1. Both the variables degree is 1. You can see here, and there are two variables. So this is the linear equation in two variables. Now we will discuss some example. X plus 2y equals to 20, x plus 0y equals to 15, 0y, so there will be also two variables. So it is these are the examples of linear equation in two variables. So now we have to learn about how to write a equation if standard form. Let's say 2y plus 10 is equals to 2x. So this is a linear equation in two variable. Now we have to change this equation in standard form. Change equation in standard form. So how will we change? First of all, ax. So ax means x term. What is x term? We will bring this term in this side, so it will become minus 2x plus by. By means plus 2y, y term, and then plus c. C means constant number. So what is the constant number here? C means 10. And here is nothing remaining, so we write here 0. So this is the minus 2x plus 2y plus 10 is equals to 0. This equation is changed in standard form. So we have understood how to change the linear equation in standard form. First of all, you have to remember this formula: ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Ax first x term, then y term, then constant number. Constant number should be this side, LHS side, and equals to 0. So you can see there the question. This is the question, and we have changed this equation in the standard form by writing first term x term, then y term, then constant term, and then equals to 0. So this equation changed to linear equation in two variable standard form. Now suppose equation is given x equals to 5. Now this you can see there is only one variable x, there is not two variable. So we will write x plus 0y is equals to 5. Now this equation in two variables, x plus 0y. So 0y means 0. So we can write, we can add the second variable which is not here as 0.y. 0.y means 0. So this is the equation in two variables. So this is changed into the standard form. Now we will understand about the solution of linear equation in two variables. Solution of equation So if you are writing an equation like x plus y equals to 20, so there are two variables. It means we have to find value of both variables such that they satisfy the given equation. Suppose you put x equals to 1 here, then 1 plus y is equals to 20, and y equals to 1 will go that side, 20 minus 1. So y equals to 19. So x equals to 1 x equals to 1 and y equals to 19 is solution of given equation. So you can see here we put x equals to 1. It is not compulsory that we will put only x equals to 1, you can put any number, and then for each number you will find a different number of y, and so it means a linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions, because whenever you put a value of x you will get another value of y. So this is called solution of linear equation. So to find the solution of linear equation in two variable, you have to put the value of x one variable, or you have to find the another value of variable. So remember, you can find so many solutions can be find here for linear equation in two variable. Now we have to understand what is the graph of linear equation in two variable. Graph of linear equation in two variable. There is a question of exercise 4.2. First of all, we will take some question of 4.2. Question number 1. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solution, infinite many solutions. So you can see I have explained here infinite many solutions. Now question number 2, write 4 solutions of each of the 4 equation. As we have find the one solution, you can find another solutions by putting the any other value of x. Okay. So third question, check which of the following are solution of the equation. Let's do one question. X minus 2y equals to 4. Question number 3. Now check that 0, 2 is a solution or not. 0, 2 is a solution or not. So we put 0 on the place of 0, 2 means x, y. Actually we write the solution of linear equation as here. X, first x, then y, comma. So this 0, it means x value, and 2 means y. So we put x equals to 0 and y equals to 2. And then we will check, this is LHS. We only simplify LHS part, 0 minus 2 to the 4. It is minus 4. So here you can say there is 4. So this is not equals to LHS, not equals to RHS. So 0, 2 is not solution of given equation. So to check that the given point is a solution of given solution is of equation, you have to put the value of x and y in the equation and LHS part, and you have to check that it is equal or not. Let's take one more example. One more question. Find the value of k. Question number 5. Find the value of k. Question number 5. Find k if 2, 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y equals to k. Yes. So we have to find the value of this variable k if this point is a solution of this equation. So we put this, we put x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 in equation. So 2 into x equals to 2 plus 3 into y equals to 1 equals to k. This time you have to take whole equation because it is already given that this is a solution of linear equation. So now we will solve this equation and we will find the value of k. So 2 to 4 plus 3 is equals to k. So k is equals to 4 plus 3, 7. So in this way we can find the value of constant k. Now we will understand about the graph of linear equation in two variables. The topic is graph of equation or graph of equation. Okay. So let's take an example. What is mean by graph of equation? Actually, linear equation in two variables represent a straight line on graph. When we plot the graph of linear equation in two variable, it represent a straight line. So suppose you are writing x plus 2y is equals to 10. So it will represent a straight line. So on a straight line there are some points, and each point is a solution of equation. Each point is a solution of equation. So we know that there are so many infinite points, so we will not find infinite points, we will find only 3 points. Why only 3 points? Because 3 points may, if it is correct 3 points, if we find the correct 3 points, then it will join. When we join these 3 points, we get a line. If you find only 2 points, or if 1 point is wrong, then you will find not correct line. So if you are finding 3 points, then if 1 point is wrong, then you can know that our line is not correct, because 1 point will be on not on line. So you have to find minimum 3 points. So let's see here. So let's say equation x plus 2y equals to 6. Now we make a table here. This is a table for points. This is x, this is y. Put x equals to 1 in the equation. Then 1 plus 2y equals to 6. Then 2y equals to 6 minus 1. 2y equals to 5 and y equals to 5.2. So it is 2.5. So we will not take this value because it is not a whole number. So another value we will put here. Let's say 0. So 0 plus 2y equals to 6. 2y equals to 6. Y equals to 6 upon 2, 3. So when you put x equals to 0, you got y equals to 3. So 0, 3 is a point. Let's say a point. Now another point, put x equals to 2. If you put x equals to 2 plus 2y equals to 6, 2y equals to 6 minus 2, 2y equals to 4, and y equals to 4 upon 2, 2. So when you put x equals to 2, you got y equals to 2. When you put x equals to 2, you will get y equals to 2. Now again we find a point here. Let's say here put x equals to 4. If you put x equals to 4 here, 4 plus 2y equals to 6. 2y equals to 6 minus 4. 2y equals to 2. And y equals to 2 upon 2, 1. So when you put x equals to 4, you got y equals to 1. So B point, first point 0, 3, B point 2, 2, C point 4, 1. Let's we plot these 2 points. So this is origin point, you know, everyone. Now first we write here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we plot the first point 0, 3, first point on x-axis 0, this is 0 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. So this A point is 0, 3. So this is the first point. Now second point B 2, 2. So 2 on x-axis and 2, 2 here. So this is B point 2, 2. Third point 4, 1, C point. 4 here and 1 is here. So 4, 1 and this is C point. Now we will join these 3 points by using your ruler. So you can see here all 3 points lie on a line. So this is a straight line. So this is the graph of equation x plus 2y is equals to 6. So right here x plus 2y is equals to 6. So you can see here in this graph we have to first plot these 3 points, minimum 3 points you have to require. Write the coordinates of the points and then join the graph, join the 3 points by using your ruler. And write here the equation x plus 2y is equals to 6. So this is the graph of given linear equation in 2 variables. Remember each point on this graph, each point on this line represent a solution of equation. So for today enough, this is okay. Now we will meet in next part number 2.